Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable in-game overlays. So what that means, it's like when you're in game, like when you're on Valorant and you're on Discord and like somebody talks, you're able to see if they're talking or not. So just go to user settings and go to game overlay. I have it off, but if you want it on, just turn this button and enable it. And for instance, you want to display users only while they are speaking. So again, like you can also like display names only while they are speaking, or you can always select the always one. You can also adjust the avatar size here. So here you can also adjust where the overlay notifications is going to be. I have it here, but you can put it down here, here, or like here, but I have it up here. Or if you want to just turn it off, you can turn it off there. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!